welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. For today's vlog, nag-decorate na kami sa aming staircase. Ang mula ko ay nagsigsamok-samok. Ayan, sigsamok-samok dyan sa kanyang daddy. Yeah, but it doesn't look good. The middle, we just have to put here at the top.
There's nothing to tie it here.
Yeah, that's why we have to
There's
use.
nothing to tie it there.
That's why we have to use the white one with the lock.
What?
White, the
White
white,
what?
like a zip lock. What do you call that?
I can't put it on the wood. It'll ruin
Not
it.
in the wood.
There's nothing gonna tie here to hold it. It'll just slide down.
That's why we have to use the white one with the lock. When you lock it, it doesn't move. You have the white one with the lock. When you push it over to the end, it will lock.
Oh, zip tie?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try that then.
Okay, thank you, my love.
If it doesn't
Ayan.
work, it doesn't work.
Yeah, but we will try that. I think that will work. Dito kasi niya nilalagay sa gitna. Tapos hindi siya maganda tingnan ba? Kasi parang nakulangan ba? Parang kulang sa paningin. Mas maganda siya kapag doon siya ilalagay sa at the top talaga sa pinaka-beginning.
Where did the six go?
Here, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Alright, the two at the top won't have anything.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you, my love.
thank you.
Love you.
Love you.
Nilagyan na niya ng zip tie. Nagsaka talaga siya ng hagdanan. What? Get down! You keep panggugulo dyan. Ang aming BBO, palaging nanggugulo.
Done.
Okay, thank you, my love. Love you.
Love you.
Tingnan nyo, mga baduday. Nalagay na nito. I'm so excited. We have to put here at the bottom too. Like that, so that it will fit like that. It will not be hanging. Okay? Thank you, my love.
Okay,
You're so
thank you.
good.
Okay.
You're so great, my love.
Okay.
Sabi ni Mola, nandito lang naman ako sa bahay ko. Hindi naman ako nanggugulo dyan. Ang maldita, oh. Bibi, para talaga siyang tiger, oh. Parang hindi good mood ang baby namin. Oh. Parang mo attack, mga day. Ganyan talaga ito, mga day. Basta hindi siya good mood. Ayan. Ang maldita talaga. Now, next naman. We'll put the
Okay,
next.
my love.
Okay, my
Just
love.
do it here.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Meron kami ditong hagdanan, tungtunganan ni Batong. Ang ganda niya. Lagyan ko lang to dito ng zip tie mamaya. Para hindi siya gumanon ba?
Later.
Yeah, later. I'll do it in my own.
No, I'll do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna do everything here. Ouch!
Careful!
Here.
Here. This one.
Here.
Yeah. Thank
Can
you.
get those? It's better alternating, right?
No? Doesn't look good. Yeah, like that. Thank you.
Hold it up.
Okay, wait. Thank you, my honey. Love you.
Okay,
Okay, done?
I guess.
Okay, thank you. Wow, gumaganda na ang ating staircase. Nilagyan na niya ang bottom dito sa baba para
There.
hindi siya maglupad
Give me
tanawon.
that other one.
Kuha tayo ng another one. Here, my love.
You better hold it. Get the ladder.
Yeah.
Chair, I guess. This rocking chair. Or just
No need.
hold it.
Move down a little bit.
Put it where you want it.
Yeah, that's it. That one. Like that. Madam!
Hold it where
Tanaw-tanaw.
you want it.
Yeah, I'm holding it. Nagnano-nano among madam. Oh. Madam! Ang madam! Duka ang madam. Here's next. Next one.
She's playing with it already.
She'll gonna board after.
No.
My baby! Don't ruin my decors. Tingnan nyo.
Okay, get the
Ang ganda niya tingnan.
Get out! Hold it.
Wait, Mola is there. I'm scared.
Get down!
Get down.
Forget it. I'll just do it. There. It looks good now.
Yeah.
Okay, give me another black.
Okay,
On
thank
the
you, my
table.
love.
There, zip tie. No, just one.
Okay.
One at a time. Okay, give me another.
Mula, maldita kayo. Okay, I'll get it. Kuha naman tayo ng another one. Here. Yan. Thank you.
Here?
Yeah. Put it down a little bit. Down. Yeah, like that. That's it. Wow! Ang ganda na niya tingnan, mga badudzay, oh. Super pretty! Ay, maldita, ay.
Like this? This?
Yeah. Down a little bit, my love. Down a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Super beautiful! I just do it, my love. My love.
Just tell me the height. Tell me the height.
Down a little bit.
Here?
Yeah, that's it. Stop.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Super beautiful. Yeah. Super My baby? Hey! Matatakot talaga kami nitong... Ay! Nitong earring na to kasi ang ano ba? Ang maldita. Pati si to, matakot talaga nito.
Next,
Okay, I'll
give me
get...
another black tie.
Okay. Wait, my love, I cannot get through. Mola is there. She's so
In
angry.
the back.
Wait.
Okay.
My love! You just get... You're so angry, lady.
Okay, give me the other one.
Sorry, my baby. Ang maldito talaga niya. Oh, ang mata.
Next.
Okay, wait. Sorry. I'm sorry.
None?
Yeah? No, down a little bit. I'm sorry, my
Here.
Mola.
Here?
Down. Yeah, that's it. I'm sorry,
Here.
my baby. You're so mean.
Here?
Yeah. Thank you, my love. You're so mean, my Mola.
Hold it.
I cannot hold it.
Not you, me. I'm talking to myself.
Okay. Wow, it's done.
Oh, it's done.
Yeah. Thank you, my honey.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you.
Ang supportive talaga ng Diyosawa ko.
Okay. I'm gonna
I
rip
want
this.
it.
You want it?
Yeah. Here in the staircase. At the bottom.
Okay. I'll let you do it.
Okay. Ito na naman ang aming ilalagay. Thank you so much, my honey.
Okay.
Ilagay natin to sa baba. Ilagay ko muna kayo sa tripod. I think we need more, another one like this here, my love. Here.
Huh?
This one like this. In here, only one.
I don't know.
Lagay na tayo ng ganito sa ating staircase. Thank you, my love.
Because you don't really see it. The one that you did are the most visible.
Where do I gonna put this switch? At the top or at the bottom? Bottom?
The top.
I think this one cannot reach it.
There's
to
a
the top.
cord. There's an electric. Well, it doesn't matter. There's a cord there.
Okay, it's up to you.
You'll make it reach the cord, the plug-in, or we have an extension cord, but we have access to an extension cord or whatever. The plug is on the floor up there.
Okay.
It's a white thing, so you can just judge it. We have extension cord. Okay, you're gonna have to come up here and finish it later.
Yeah.
You're
Yeah,
gonna
I
get
love-
too high.
Here.
Okay, you're doing good, my love. You're
Thank you.
very good at it here. We're almost to the top now.
Yeah.
Just handy.
This is extra. There's a lot of extra, my
Ay,
love.
ay, ay.
Ah, we have to do more like that.
Okay, just do whatever.
Yeah, just little by little I do it on my own. Ah, I
You
just put this here. In
No,
the...
you need
the
room
end.
to plug it in. Over there, you need another extension cord. You have to have a. It doesn't matter. Just.
That one doesn't have plug it in.
I have to use an extension cord.
There, the plug in is in at the bottom.
Okay.
Not that one. I will put this
Oh,
in
okay.
here.
So this one doesn't matter.
Yeah. I will put that there. Continue to that
Okay.
area in
Okay.
there.
Do what you like. You don't need to plug it in here.
Yeah.
No need. Okay. Am I done?
Yeah, done. You're done. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. You can just do it in the stairs.
Yeah. Hello! Gitry na namin isaksak ang aming garland dito sa likod ng aming orasan. Naglagay na si Tom ng extension wire para itry namin i-turn on ang aming garland kung gana ba. Thank you, my love. Love you.
Put it up here. There.
Love you.
There you go.
Wait. I will chop this one first. Okay.
Okay, move it from there. Put it, hide it.
Ang extra na aming garland kay nilagay ko na lang. Wow! Thank you, my love. Ang ganda niya tingnan. Ayan, kasi may mga lights siya pa. Ang extra nga garland, yung extra kahapon, ay nilagay ko lang dito sa staircase kasi maganda naman siya. Feeling ko maganda siya tingnan dito sa aming staircase. Ayan, tingnan niyo! Tapos lagyan natin to dito ng mga red na flowers. I-try natin lagyan ko. Nalagay na namin ang aming mga garland sa aming staircase. I-try natin maglagay ng ng balls na red. So, same dito sa ating fireplace ba? Kung maganda, tingnan natin kung maganda ba siya tingnan. Lagyan natin ito ng lagyan natin ng clips ang ating balls. Nanonood na si Batom ng ng kanyang TV, kanyang football. Favorite niya. Gagamitin natin to lahat. Yay! Nilalagyan ko siya lahat ng mga clips, tapos gi-close ko siya kasi hihilahin to ni Mula. For sure, hihilahin ito ng ating anak dito. Ilagay na natin ito. Tingnan nyo! Nilagyan ko na siya ng mga flowers at saka mga balls. Yan, ang ganda niya tingnan mga baduday. Ang ganda tingnan ng ating staircase. I'm so proud of myself. Baduday! It's mga day!
What is it?
Ayayay! Natutulog dyan aking bata! Nahuhugaw na naman yan ang ating couch. It means mga day. It's my...
Magaday?
Yeah, it's in short of mga day.
What does it mean?
Mga day! Love you!
Love you.
I will put now clips of my ball so that we can put this. So that we can start to put all of this in our Christmas tree, my love, okay?
I don't know, I'm gonna go sleeping.
Okay, later when you get up.
Okay, no church today then.
Ay, ay, ay! It's Sunday! We have to
Then
go.
we're just gonna do the resting in the tree today.
Okay, next
Alright,
time.
thank you.
Love you!
Love you.
Hello! Kakatapos lang namin kumain. Ayan, nalagay ko na ang some of the ornaments para sa ating Christmas tree. At saka si Tom ay pinatanggal natin ng mga tags sa mga flowers. Is it done?
I have to find the white one that's missing a stem.
Okay. Tingnan nyo ang ating staircase. Ang ganda nyo.
Where's the white one?
I don't know.
Where's the red one? I need to see the red ones.
Nothing. There's no more here. I think we have to buy more red because parang nauubusan na kami ng red na flowers kasi ginagamit ko kasi dyan at saka doon sa fireplace at dito sa ating staircase kaya medyo nakulangan ang ating flower. There's no missing in here, my love. I already check it before I going to put
Okay, so
here.
you
I
don't mind if
check
it's
it.
red, then?
Yeah, I don't mind. Okay, thank you. Pinatanggal ko sa kanya ang mga tags. Okay, let's start now for the balls. Ngayon ay, ang balls na naman ang gisugo ko sa kanya na palagyan ko ng clips. Siya ang maglalagay ng clips, tapos ako ang maglalagay dito sa Christmas tree kasi kanina pa yan nanonood ng football, kaya siya ang papalagyan ko ng mga clips sa balls para mas mapadali ang ating trabaho.
Which one do you want on the clips?
This one first,
And then
and then all of these next.
you're gonna put all of those, all of these
Then
balls.
next, this one. Yeah, I'm gonna put everything.
Okay, these first, these second,
Yeah.
and these
Second
last.
and third, yeah. Thank you, my love.
Okay.
Ayan, pinatabang ko mga day para mapadali ang ating trabaho dito.
You have to turn on the bottom one too, right?
What bottom one?
For the light, the star, you have to plug in the bottom
Ah, okay,
one.
this one.
Yeah. There.
Gi-turn on ko na rin ang aming star para musiga siya.
Which one's first? These or these? Where's the hook? Like that or the other way? These are
Like that.
These
And
are
then
ready.
you have to close it like that.
Who told you?
Ouch. Me, that's my style. So that Mola cannot get it.
Here. What do I do? Put them where? Like this?
Just put in the plastic. Where's the plastic? The big one. There. Where's the plastic?
I don't know. I'll just set them here.
Okay. Sa tingin ko mga day, ay need pa tayo ng maraming red na bulaklak. Kailangan pa natin ng red na bulaklak. Ginamit ko kasi sa amin para sa aming fireplace at saka dito. And dyan sa aming staircase ba kaya nakulangan ang ating red na bulaklak. Ang ganda na niya tingnan. Tingnan niyo ha. Wow! Thank you my love. Love
Okay.
you.
Love you.
Use the small one. This is too big.
Huh?
We have small ones. This one. Thank you, my love.
Okay.
Can you hand it to me, my love? The red ones. That one too. Please. Thank you. Wow! Ang ganda ng ating Christmas tree, mga baduday. Tingnan niyo. Nakulangan lang siya ng red na mga flowers ba. Ang ganda niya tingnan. Super beautiful, my love. Thank you, my honey.
Thank you, my love.
Okay, thank you too. Hindi ko pa natapos ang mga gifts ko dyan. Kasi inuna namin ni Batom na mag-decorate dito sa aming Christmas tree. Maglagay ng mga ornaments. So beautiful, my love! Pwede pala siya ito i-change ang kulay niya. Wow! Thank you, my love! So beautiful! Ang ganda niya, mga baduday! Ang ganda ng ating fireplace. Ha?
More lighted.
Okay. Oh, tingnan niyo ang ating wow! Ang ganda tingnan ng ating staircase.
This is more
Wow!
glowing. Now you can see it better. Too much light before.
Yeah. I will try to change the color,
Oh,
ha?
yeah. Oh, okay. Never mind.
Wow! So beautiful, my love!
I want the
Ang
there.
ganda niya! Ayun.
This is too.
Yeah.
Alternate between the white and the colored.
Yeah.
I like the green.
Oh! Wait, can we turn on the light? So beautiful! Wow! Wow! My baby! Natapos na namin ang aming Christmas tree. Super beautiful niya, mga baduday, ang ating Christmas tree. Yan. Ang ating fireplace ay ang kulang na lang dyan, ang gifts, at saka dito is tapos na ito. Ang ating staircase is tapos na. Ang hindi pa natapos is dito. Lagyan natin ito ng centerpiece, at saka doon sa aming dining table, lagyan ko yan ng centerpiece. Yun, super beautiful ng aming Christmas tree. Kulang pa lang siya ng red na bulaklak. Magdagdag pa ako ng red na bulaklak. Kasi ginamit ko kasi sa fireplace at saka sa aming staircase. Ayan. Yung mga nasa bottom ba? Yung mga ganito na maliliit na bulaklak. Magdagdag pa tayo niya ng bulaklak. Sabihan ko si Tom bukas. Bukas na kasi tired siya ngayon. Baka magalit. Ay, baka malungkot na naman. Hello! Good evening, Philippines! Ito na, mag-shoutout na tayo kasi tapos na ang ating vlogmas for today. Shoutout kay Lucila Jawod from Jensen. Shoutout kay Via Plaxton from San Pedro City, Laguna. Shoutout kay Lina Hinayon o sa iyang bana nga si Gerard Panza. Shoutout kay Susan Villaseran at Villaseran family from Potestad, Bulacan, San Jose del Monte. Shoutout kay Ermelinda Bolivar. Shoutout kay Gianet Miguel. Shoutout kay Nila De Jesus from Rizal, Philippines. That's it for today's shoutout. Sa next vlog na naman ang ibang shoutout kasi mataas-taas na naman ang ating video for today's vlogmas. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga next vlog. Bye! Si Batum pala ay nanonood ng football. Gi-continue niya ang football ngayon kasi tapos na kaming nag-decorate sa aming Christmas tree. Kaya nag-continue siyang manood ng kanyang paboritong football. Bye! Thank you so much for watching!